How to do CPA marketing with free traffic. In this video, I'm going to cover two different traffic methods to make money from CPA marketing. So this method is 100% free and works worldwide, and anyone can do it, and it won't require anything upfront, and also you can generate free targeted organic traffic to your offers, and you can make money from it. Also, if you watch the video until the end, I'm going to show you a simple trick to speed up this entire process. Before that, I make videos on money making, money saving tutorials. Try to upload one video every day or every other day. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe, like and share. And if you watch the video and you can win £10 PayPal money. So let's begin the video. The first thing what you have to do, go to cpalead.com and you can create a free account with them. Again, CPA Lead is one of the best CPA marketing network, and they will allow your application immediately, because when I started to sign up, there's no issue with me. But also I'm trying to get into this new affiliate network. It's called performcb.com. It's a collection of 4 different affiliate network, and I already registered for it. My account is under review at the moment, so if I get into it, I make video on that feature. So again, subscribe to learn more about this affiliate network. So on the CPA Lead, you need to find a offer that you want to promote. This is the crucial part of this video. So you need to find which offer that you can promote. That you can see from 61 cents to 76 to 17 cents. So there's a different offers pay you different amount of money. Idea or my advice is promote. If you're first to CPA marketing, promote an offer that pay you between 40 pence to 80 pence to understand the method, because for that offers, only thing they have to do is put their email address and you make money out of it. So in this video, I'm going to promote this offer called free Walmart samples. So this is an if I click open, this is a landing page. You can see actually is here. This is the landing page. They can put their email address and they have a chance to win free samples. So people are searching for free samples online. So you can answer the questions by putting your link, and whenever they click and sign up for that, you make money. But before that, you need to have a landing page. But again, there's an alternative. If you don't have a landing page, don't worry. You can go to either these 3 websites. One is called Follow Page. The second one is called Bio FM, and the third one is called a Link Tree. So these are the site allow you to add like a small, you can see these are the social media bio link. So you can add multiple link and it will generate one single link that you can share without any issue with all other social media. So you can go there and you're going to create the pages like this one. So you can add win free Walmart samples and insert that your affiliate link that you're going to get it from CPA Lead. Again, I'm keeping simple in this video. If you want the detailed tutorials, let me know in the comment section. I will make a video on that. So you can create a simple landing page and you can create your personal or shortened URLs, which you're gonna copy and paste it on next method. So there's a there's 2 different methods, like I said in the previous the starting of the video. The first one is obviously the Quora. So on the Quora, you can go to search bar. I'm going to type a Walmart free sample, and you can see people ask how to get free sample from Walmart app. Why doesn't Walmart offer free handout or sample like Costco? So you can open these questions. So you can answer the question. Say something like, yeah, there is a chance that you can win a Walmart free sample, and you're going to copy and paste the link on there. Whenever the people click the link, and it will take to the landing page that's going to look like this one. They can click that and it will take to the offer page, and when they put email address, you make money. This is the first method. Like I said in starting of the video, watch the video until the end to learn about the trick to speed up this entire process, right? So the second method is obviously the Pinterest. Pinterest is still getting more and more engagement and is growing super fast. That you can see people are creating pin about free 5 free sample boxes from Walmart. You can see 100% free sample from Costco, Walmart free samples. So you're going to create a simple pin. So use that pin as an example and create your own. So you can change the color of the font, change the size and font size and name of the font, add a little bit different pictures, and put the same sentences to make that pin and upload it into Pinterest. Like I said before, these two are generating organic free traffic every single day, and when you post those things here, it's gonna be alive for forever. So whenever people click it today, tomorrow, a week later, or a year later, they can put your email address and you will win the money, right? So the basic, as simple as that. Now what you have to do, so what is the trick to get more engagement or speed up this entire process? You're gonna go to a site like youlikehits.com. I made a video in the previous. So youlikehits.com, you can earn points by doing these things. You can tweet about it or retweet, or YouTube, on YouTube you can like a video, subscribe, or you can watch the videos and you can earn points. So if you want to earn a point, so if you go to YouTube and click views, and it will take you to this page, and you click this video to open, and you need to watch this video about 10 seconds maybe, and you can get 18 points. So you're gonna do these things. You're gonna go to Pinterest and follow and save, and you can go to Twitter and YouTube, and you're gonna earn points. Then you're gonna use this the points that you earned in this website to exchange for engagement. So go to add site and edit site. You can see on Pinterest section you're gonna get more saves, not followers, save. What does save mean? If you go to Pinterest, these are the pin, right? You see when you hover over this pin, and it come up this like things called save. So you can save this pin into your own board that you created in your profile. So what is this? Why is this useful? Because when you create this pin like a Walmart free samples, and these people from You Like Hits come over to your site, one of your Pinterest post, and they're gonna save that onto their Pinterest profile. So their followers also going to able to see that post, so they can click and they can share it, or they can save it on their profile. So it will create more and more engagement organically, and you can get click from that. This is the one way to do it. The second way, for the Quora, there's no actual way to get it. On Quora, what you have to do, you have to keep answer the question. So for example, where I can get a Walmart coupon code, so something like that. So you see lots of people asking about free sample and free coupons on Quora. You can go to different forum and find out the question people asking about where they can get Walmart free sample. So you can share the link over there, and whenever they click it and they sign up, and you make a money. So there's a one way that you can make money with CPA marketing using completely free traffic, and this work worldwide. Doesn't matter where you live, when you find an offer and promote it on the right way. If you don't have enough money or don't have any money at all, this is the one of the free way to promote those offers, and you can make money out of this. And I hope you guys understand these videos. Again, if you want to win £10 PayPal money, all you have to do is like, subscribe, and share this video, and leave a comment, I like this video, or if you have any questions about this, so I can make a video on that. Until then, have a good day. See you in the next video, guys.